Hi, this is 2015 Mercedes Benz ML350. The AC blower resistor got an issue because when you turn on the AC, the fan was not spinning at all. Okay, and the funny part, you check the AC compressor is actually engaged, and the line of the lower pressure line was ice cold, which means it's the blower. Okay, because normally if just the fan motor, then you might have an issue on the control nuts. When it's totally shut down, the fan, doesn't matter how you turn that nuts, it's not moving at all, no air coming out. Is the resistor. This is the resistor, okay? Right under the fan motor. If you go to the dealer, they change both because they don't want you to come back and say, oh, it's not working again, so you must didn't fix it. Now they're gonna change the other one. So when they have this kind of issue, they always change the fan motor and the resistor at the same time. That will cost you somewhere, I would say, $1,500 parts and labor. And this is the resistor I just removed. Okay, so the first thing you got to do on this job is remove this door panel, lower door panel here. All right, take it out and then remove the carpet. Once you've done that, this is the bottom of the glove compartment. There's a 4 screw right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the tiny screw. There you go. All right, you use this is the, what size is this? Let's see. This is the 12-bit T20. All right, after you remove, lose the panel, it's very difficult to unhook the wire because you don't have the angle to squeeze right here. You see the leverage is right in between. There's a cover protected. So you better off just remove these two torque nuts. Yeah, T20 out of it, one on each side. Remove that. When you drop down, then you unclip that. That's it. So we're gonna put the new one on and test it. All right, it should be good. This is basically is just part exchange. All right. All right. Thank you for watching.